Hi there, it's Adam at Fordingtons in Hexham, and today I'm showing you around this 2016 Toyota AYGO 1 litre VVT-i Pure 5-door, finished in white. These really nice white and diamond cut alloy wheels. It's got a great spec inside. There's the windows that open on the side, all immaculate inside as well. To open the door, it's just a press of that button which releases it. Decent size for a small city tool. Onto the inside of the driver and front passenger, it's all immaculate. You have the buttons on the steering wheel for the Bluetooth and radio volume. Also got the touch screen which has reversing camera, SAT-NAV and Bluetooth connection, aircon there, USB port. Just in over 41,200 miles, full service history. Lovely vehicle to drive, very economic, low cost to insure, also free road tax, which is a major standout point of the vehicle. So if you'd like to come give it a drive for yourself, don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching. Bye now.